Hey guys, if you're jumping into Madden 26 and wanna play a quick game with a friend, there are a few different ways you can do it. If you're into Ultimate Team, that mode lets you play against your friends using teams you have built yourself. Just head into Ultimate Team, invite your friend and you can go head to it there. From the main menu, you'll also see a play a friend option. This is the simplest way to set up a match. It lets you play one-on-one or set up a squad if you want to team up. If you don't want to use Ultimate Team, you can still play your friend easily. Madden gives you franchise mode, superstar mode and of course online head-to-head, which is perfect for regular NFL team matchups. Just choose the team you want and invite your friend to the game. If your friend is in the same room, you can play offline too. Go to play now, pick custom game and make sure both controllers are connected. From there, just select your teams and start playing local multiplayer. For online play with standard NFL teams, go into online head-to-head. You will see options for ranked matches and a clear play a friend option. Pick your team, adjust any settings you want and then send the invite. Your friend's name will show up if they are online and you can start the match right away. And that's really all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.